Hi, everyone. My name is Mike Riley, founder and editor of Journalist Toolbox AI. This is another Journalist Toolbox training. Today, we're going to work with a Summarize.Tech tool. This tool allows you to summarize YouTube videos. You get a written summary of that video in just a few minutes, but it's based off video subtitles. So the video has to have subtitles in it in order for this tool to scrape the subtitles and summarize the videos for you. It has some strengths and weaknesses, which we'll go over. So if you want to have this handout and follow along and actually do some of the exercises with me, just go to this link here, https://bit.ly/video summarizers. Go ahead and hit the pause button, and we'll get started here in just a minute. Okay, welcome back. By now, you should have the video summarizer page open. Summarize.Tech is the tool we're going to use. So if you want to open that, just click on that. I've got my contact information here at the top, my Gmail address, Twitter accounts, books that I've written, as well as the Journalist Toolbox AI website, newsletter, and training videos. And I'll talk about those at the end of the video. So open up Summarize.Tech. Nice little tool. It's very simple. You just cut and paste the YouTube video URL in here. It's got some practice ones up here from a State of the Union address and a few others. But if you can paste your own links in here, hit the submit button and give it a minute or two, and it'll give you a summary. And obviously, a longer, city council meeting or something like that will take longer to summarize, as opposed to maybe a short training video or a short speech that's maybe 10 or 15 minutes long. So I've given you some links here that you can work with. And this first one's going to be a fail. This is Donald Trump talking about Israel and Hamas. So you can just take this link here and cut and paste it into the Summarize tool. And it's not going to work because this video doesn't have subtitles. And it'll tell you this after a little while. The video does not have subtitles, cannot be summarized. Try another video. So you just go back. So that's one drawback to this tool. It's not, listening and extracting from the audio. It's actually just pulling and summarizing the subtitles using AI. So the next one we're going to try is this one of my training videos. We'll see, how it works. This is a training video I did on Video5, Runway ML, and some other video creation tools. And I'm going to do this just because it's pretty easy for me to fact check. I can look at it right away and be able to tell, hey, this is accurate, this isn't. And this tool does a pretty good job. Okay, so, it breaks it down into 15 minutes. Mike Riley misspelled my name, founder and editor, Journalist Toolbox AI, discusses a variety of AI video creation tools. Okay, it talks about Video5. It's spelled Video5 right, good. Talks about Runway, and it describes what the tool does accurately. Misspells it here, though. Video5, it's correct up here, but wrong down here. And then just, it summarizes some of the things I talked about. It did a pretty good job. A little too broad-based. I'd like a little more detail, so I can click on the See More button. And it breaks it down into little 5-minute increments here. So I have more detail underneath. So, if I was going to put up a, little summary of the video underneath it, maybe in the notes or something on YouTube, this would be a good tool to do that with. So let's do another video. And this one will be the Hernando School Board meeting. Hernando School Board meeting. This is a longer video. This is a, pretty long school board meeting here. 8:33:06. This went on forever. I know it's hard for a lot of local newsrooms to cover all these meetings now, all these public meetings. This is a good way, and many of them stream these and put them up on YouTube to do a quick summarizer on it and have one of your producers or editors in the newsroom go through and edit it and clean it up. And this is a really good way. You can post the minutes of the meeting, but this is a good way to pick up on some of the key things that were said in the meeting and things like that maybe the notes from the meeting didn't cover, which is common. It happens quite a bit that they don't always get the detail in there that you want. So you can really kind of fact check it by using this tool. So I'll hit the submit button. And it kicks through pretty quickly for me because I've done this one earlier, so it'll kick through quicker. But normally it would take you probably about 3 or 4 minutes for it kick through. So here it breaks it down by first hour, second hour, third hour, and so on. It gives you the little summaries of each. It kind of hits on some, big points here. The superintendent proposed a 1/2-cent sales tax, an update from the committee. They're trying to raise the sales tax in order to raise $92 million, and how much it's raised since then. There's other highlights in here. If you need more detail within that first hour, this is a very long meeting. It does break it down into those 5-minute increments. It has great detail. It gets a lot of dollars and figures in here. Does a pretty good job with AP style with it too. But double check the name spellings, things like that. Again, you can do that against the meeting agenda, maybe the meeting notes. Maybe if it's a city official, you can go to their website and double check the names before publishing any of this. So you don't have to sit through the whole meeting in order to get the highlights of it. And this can be done for monitoring meetings too that you can't get to. Let's say you're covering this community and you need to be able to track what's going on there. If there's anything worth writing a story on or a follow-up about, this is a good tool to do that. I've listed some other ones here, the State of the Union address, a few others that are in the tool. Summarize.Tech, there is one of the better video summary tools out there. There are others on the market. If you go to Toolbox.ai, my website, you can go in and under the video creation section, there is a series of tools, including this one, Summarize.Tech, that will allow you to summarize various YouTube videos and other videos as well on the web. So they're in here along with a lot of the video creation tools. They're also listed here underneath guides and articles, and also productivity tools as well. Right here, you'll find some of the summary tools in there. We cover all kinds of different topics in here pertaining to artificial intelligence and journalism, including law and ethics, editing tools, writing tools, and some cautions to take with that. Image and audio and video creation, some really, really good resources here. So bookmark this, use it. As I mentioned earlier, at the top of the video, we put out a newsletter that comes out every other Tuesday morning, usually around 7, 8 a.m. Eastern time. It is free, although you can donate to it if you like. We also have training videos, one of which you're watching right now. We have more than 95 of those up here. And we have AI tools, all kinds of other tools as well, everything from mobile apps to desktop tools. Most of these videos run 10 to 15 minutes long, so it doesn't take up a lot of your time. Again, Journalist Toolbox AI, our video summarizer handout is right here. So if you want to go through this and actually play with it a little bit, you can. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll have some more videos up shortly. So come back to the YouTube channel. Thanks.